Control and resistance. The challenges for young people. Control and being controlled are relative existences that people cannot avoid in any period of life and at any age. Even after graduating from high school and entering university, students still face being controlled by school rules, teachers, and even some individuals with ulterior motives. Consequently, the resistance against control naturally exists, much like a spring that reacts more strongly when pressure is applied. In university life, students not only face academic pressure but also various challenges from the outside world and within the university. Sometimes these challenges may be fair, but other times they may be biased, or even targeted at them. Young people at this stage begin to explore their identity and values, and their strong emotional response to unfair control and infringement on their rights may arise. This mindset of resistance leads many young people to engage in a variety of behaviors. Some of these behaviors are illegal, while others violate moral codes. Due to dissatisfaction with control, some young people may choose to evade responsibility or take extreme measures to express their discontent. These behaviors often negatively impact their future. At the same time, as young people seek self-identity, they may begin to question existing authority and traditions. This questioning may lead them to challenge social norms and institutions, resulting in new ideas and ways of acting. While this questioning and resistance can bring about positive changes in some cases, it may also lead young people into challenging situations. These problems not only affect young people but also bring certain challenges to society. Young people are the backbone of future society, and their behaviors and attitudes directly affect the future development of society. Therefore, we must take young people's problems seriously and seek effective solutions. Excessive control of young people may restrict their independence, preventing them from freely pursuing their dreams and goals. Additionally, this continuous desire for control may create communication problems between parents and children, potentially leading to a breakdown in the parent-child relationship. Parents should pay attention to guiding their children moderately instead of controlling them. Schools and society should also provide more support and guidance for young people. Through establishing equal and open dialogues, parents, teachers, and society can better understand young people's needs and provide guidance and help when needed. This communication not only contributes to children's healthy growth but also maintains family harmony. Ultimately, young people must learn how to communicate effectively with the outside world without compromising their principles and moral bottom line. This communication not only helps them establish themselves in society but also allows them to better understand their own and others' needs. Facing these challenges, young people must find a balance respecting authority and rules while protecting their rights and dignity. They must develop critical thinking and learn how to discern and choose. In this way, young people can better face various challenges in life. Moreover, educators and parents should recognize the complex relationship between control and resistance. They should strive to provide young people with an open and inclusive environment where they can freely express their opinions and ideas. This way, young people can grow in a supportive environment and learn how to responsibly and respectfully resist unjust control. What we need to consider is this. While providing support and guidance to young people, how can we ensure they have enough space to pursue their dreams and goals? How can we maintain social order while respecting young people's rights and freedoms? These questions require continuous thought and exploration. What are your thoughts?